काढू का? We're going for water sports. Guys, we are here for the water activities. Hi cuties, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, this is going to be a vlog, and we guys are visiting this campsite in Karnataka, in Dandeli actually, which is like adventurous resort and stuff. And we guys are going to do some activities, water activities like kayaking, river rafting and stuff. I'm so excited.
वड्यामध्ये मिरची पण घालतो. कढीपत्ता पण.
I finally reached to this beautiful resort. This is our car, and maybe there's the restaurant or like the dinner place. Here are the rooms. Even here are some rooms. And here's the bonfire area. We even have this archery thing. This is the resort, Fireflies. We've reached in a room. Let me give you the room tour. How the room looks. Reach the place. This place is called a Fireflies by Flycatcher in Dandeli. They are actually similar to the pictures we've seen about this place. And we've reached here by 12, and we'll have our dinner at 1:30, and then we'll go for water sports. I went with pretty basic outfit for now because it was 4-hour long road trip and I wanted to feel comfortable, so this is what I wore. This is so nature friendly, you guys. Here we'll be having the dinner, the lunch and the dinner. Here for dinner, let me show you how this place looks and what all we have for dinner. Hi guys, we're done with the dinner and now we're going for water sports. Guys, we are here for the water activities. Oh my god. Guys, it's raining. Guys, we are here for the water sports and it's literally raining. Oh my gosh. Guys, and it's literally raining.
Supriya Sonavane. मार देता था फटाक करके.
Okay, so this is what I have for dinner.
2,000 years later.
Good morning, you guys. It's the next day, and we really had fun last night. Didn't vlog much, but we came from water sports. We went for a dinner and then for a bonfire night, and now the next day we're going for trekking. I'll show you how it goes. We're going now. Okay, guys, I'm going for trekking now. Let's see how this goes. Guys, I'm out of breath.
उडी मारायला गेला तो
मांजरा एवढी खवडते असते शेकरू म्हणतात
दोन आहेत
महाराष्ट्राचा राष्ट्रीय राज्य प्राणी आहे हा शेकरू हां
Guys, there's a shake. मग पाणी दे ना. Guys, we're out of the jungle now. We're here for lunch. Sorry, breakfast. Okay guys, so we're done with our breakfast. I've got ready and we are heading back home. And I've tried my best to vlog these 2 days, and I'm so grateful for your support till now, and let me know if you loved this vlog and subscribe if you loved it.